What's up, y'all? I'm about to show you all how to make high protein vegan chicken lettuce wraps. So this is 472 calories, 38 grams of carbs, 11 grams of fat, and 57 grams of protein. Let's get to it. All right, so here's the ingredients. I have some lettuce wraps that I've been meaning to make for a while. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it before the lettuce start to go too bad. This is a champagne mango. We found that at H Mart. First time having one of those, so I'm gonna taste it first. Then I'm gonna just slice it up and add them to the lettuce wrap. Sweet peppers right there, jalapeno, avocado. I got a tomato, vegan chicken, which is a seitan, nature's soy brand, and then some chia seeds, and then we got some sunflower seeds. And like I said, I may add some more ingredients as I go along, make some sauces and stuff like that, but this is the basics of it, all right? Almost forgot, I'm adding a yellow onion as well, chopping that up. All right, so we have all of our ingredients. These are the sauteed onions. And I think I'm gonna keep everything else fresh. Jalapenos, sweet peppers, tomatoes. I'm gonna keep all of that fresh. That's the only thing that's gonna be cooked. All right, well, aside from the seitan. So basically, this is all I do for the seitan. Just store it in the skillet, let it get crispy with some crispy edges, and then I go ahead and season it. So I'll keep the seasoning very basic, super simple. So we have some pink Himalayan salt, and then I just sprinkle a little bit of that on there, just like that. Then I have some Old Bay seasoning. Now, preferably, I'd love to use some jerk seasoning, which is my favorite, but I don't have any of that right now. So I'm gonna sprinkle a little of that on there. And then take the handle and just mix it in. Right now I have the fire at medium, a little bit higher than medium, so medium high if you want to call it that. And I just let it get crispy and I flip, turn it over, and go from there. All right, so it's starting to get a little crispy. I can see some edges starting to crisp up. I'm just keep flipping. So I'm about to get to building these lettuce wraps. So I'm gonna unravel this, clean the lettuce off, and then we're about to get to it. I'm gonna make 4 lettuce wraps to start off, and maybe I'll add some more as we go. We got the vegan chicken, which is seitan. We got the beat up avocado, all the other ingredients right here. And then, like I said, we're gonna add some chia seeds, sunflower seeds for some extra nutrients. I don't care about making it look pretty. I'm about to use my hands. They're washed. Some of the sauteed onions, some of these tomatoes, the sweet peppers, some more color. Now just a few jalapenos. I don't need too many of these. Now let's work in these champagne mangoes. Now we're just gonna add in some of these seeds and we're good to go. Start off with the sunflower seeds. You wanna make sure that you're weighing out the sunflower seeds or any seeds and nuts as well, because they are very calorie dense, so those calories can add up quickly. You think because they're small, they wouldn't contain a lot of calories, but trust me. Chia seeds. And I actually forgot one thing. That's the avocado. Now it looks terrible because I let it sit there for so long. It's stupid, So I'm gonna go ahead and slice this up a little bit and just add some. I know some of you all will be freaking out over how the avocado looks because it's not the prettiest. But guess what? I don't care about all that, right? Avocado is avocado. All right, now that's a lettuce wrap. You get it? That's a wrap, but using lettuce, so that's a lettuce wrap. Boom. Y'all can use that one.